This is our first campfire on our property. It's pretty dark out here. You can't see a thing, but that's our campfire. Woo! So we're gonna be roasting some marshmallows and hot dogs. The fire is menacing. We going?
Yes, cook it.
Let's go. Here we go, our first time on our property cooking a hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. I forgot the rest of the words to that dog. It's really heavy and it's starting to burn.
Don't hold it so close to the fire.
Like right above it?
Yep.
Like that?
Yep.
My eyes are starting to water right now, guys.
You hold it like this so it has time to cook.
I think I'm just burning it right now.
Listen, hold it at an angle.
Like that?
With your hand, the hot dog higher than your hand, like that.
Like that?
Yeah, like I am. See how I am?
Yeah.
This way, the hot dog doesn't fall off into the fire.
Okay. I think that's more of a marshmallow thing. Alright guys, here's our result. It's a bit burnt, but yeah, I should do good. Here we go, the taste test. Yes, but it's good. Marshmallow time. Alright, it's marshmallow time. Oh yeah, that's getting in there good. Yeah. Oh, I can smell it. It smells so good.
It'll probably slide off on me because I can't get lower than the fire.
You don't need it in the fire. It's pretty hot above the fire.
Yeah, but
Even the marshmallows can catch fire without
Woo!
Don't fling it or anything.
How do I light it out?
Blow on it.
Oh yeah, mine's burnt to a crisp. Here's the result of the marshmallows. It's burnt to a crisp. It's about to fall off. Yeah, that marshmallow is good. I know you can't see me much on the screen, but I just ate it. It's really good. It's crispy. I like it. Crispy.